Hi guys, good day to all and welcome sa ating new vlog for today. And yung gagawin natin for today since summer is here, um I I can feel the heat of the sun na talaga. It's very mainit outside. Ate-ate lang. O diba? So since summer is here na talaga, I have decided to create something for Ken, a summer outfit for Ken. And, oo, gagawa na lang tayo kasi as of today wala tayong budget para sa mga ano, new clothes. Alam yun na, tipid-tipid din, practical it is. And I would like to say hi sa aking kaibigan na si Mary Grace Bacus. Hello po dyan. Hello. I just wanna thank this friend of mine kasi binigyan niya ako ng cloth. Yung business nila is RTW. And just so happen na in-invite niya ako na pupunta sa kanila. Tapos bibigyan niya daw ako ng cloth para sa mga Barbie dolls ko daw. Oh, so thank you so much, Jamex. I love you. Mwah. So without further ado, let's start. So para sa pattern naman niya, I have a Manila paper, tapos yung ginagawa ko is notice yung line dito ko po siya nilalagay yung edge. Tapos if I wanted to have a V neck, ganyan, or you can do a circle or round neckline. Tapos para sa armhole naman, yung basis ko is this part. Diyan. That part. So, pagdating ko dito is I draw a straight line na lang pababa. So, that is our pattern for Ken. And then, from the pattern for the front, I'm sorry. Tapos, ito naman for the back, same thing. Ganyan. Tapos, para magtagpo yung dito, same lang din. Diyan. Sa part na yan. And then, same, draw a straight line downwards. So, for the sleeves, yung ginagawa ko, ginaganyan ko, gino-join ko siya. Ganyan. Tapos, below is Manila paper. Tapos, ninitrace ko na lang to. Ganyan. Tapos, ilolocate ko kung hanggang saan yung length ng sleeve niya. So, that's it for the pattern. So, I have this cloth na may coconut prints. Oo, ganyan talaga. The coconut nut is a giant nut. So, ganito talaga yung dapat na gamit natin ng mga type of cloth for summer outfits. Yes. Thank you, RLRTW. So, next is, yung ginagawa ko, ay, ganyan. Tapos, ililay ko yung fabric. So, this is the front. Ayan, this is the front part. And then, yung back part. Ay, isa-separate na lang natin ito. Ayan. So, ipipin ko sila just like that. Yan. Tapos, pagkatapos nyan, iti-trace ko sila using my pencil. Yan. And then, gagawa na din ako ng para sa other side. Disclaimer lang po, hindi po ako professional or tailor. Okay. So, yung gagawin natin is, yung gagawin ko next is, kita nyo yung lines, yung ginagawa ko is, itatagpo ko tong mga lines, this one, this one. Then I will hand sew it. Okay, same as this one. And then, pagkatapos, i-attach ko yung sleeve. So guys, na-attach ko na yung shoulder tapos yung sleeve. So yung gagawin ko next is to attach the back. Ito po. This one. This is the back area. So, ito na po siya. Natahi ko na po yung likuran. Ayan po. Ayan po yung likuran. Tapos, what we are going to do next is to sew the sides. This one. And then on the other side as well. And then, pagkatapos, gagawa tayo ng collar. So, guys, need na lang natin ngayon is the collar. So, I have here a rectangular shape na Manila paper. Tapos, yung gagawin ko is I'll cut 2 of it. Okay. And then after, isasew na natin siya dito. Alright. So, eto na po siya guys. And then, we will just going to, take this upside down. Yan. Lalak ka pa lang. And so, guys, ito na po siya. Natahi ko na. And, we're just going to reverse this. Yan na po. At na-reverse ko na siya. And next, I will be hand sewing these sides. Ito na po siya, and stitch ko na po dito, yung sa may top. And then what I'm going to do now is to locate the middle center. Ayan po. And as well as this cloth. Yan. And And then what I am going to do next is to do it like this. Like that. Tapos, i-attach natin siya dito. Okay. So guys, na-hand sew ko na siya. Ayan. See. So the next thing I will do is fold this one in to have that much cleaner look. There. Ayan. And then this one, I'll fold this and then lock it in like that. Para mas clean siya. Okay. Yan. So guys, eto na po siya. Alright, so thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you like this tutorial. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Oh my god. Thank you so much.